what's up, Crypto Regions? This is Crypto with Aaron, and I have some major updates coming for your favorite meme coin, that is Floki Inu, of course. And before going to the major updates, the first thing first, make sure to hit the like button as well as subscribe to Crypto with Aaron so you don't miss some major updates in the cryptosphere. So Floki Inu has just dropped some bombshells, and what I mean by bombshells, they have recently released their Valhalla game. Of course, this is more likely a pirate version or the Viking version. So this is the game Valhalla, and it's a Floki play to earn NFT metaverse, and this is now one of the most trending GameFi which everybody is hopping in, and this already has a reward pool of over $1 million in Floki Inu tokens. So this is, I believe, that you should visit. This is the website valhalla.game. I am going to cover the game, of course, but there is one more major update, that is Valhalla is going in Delhi NCR, and it has just landed with some massive marketing campaigns, and it will be covering the area mall, the DLF Cyber City, as well as the Connaught Place. So it is covering all the major capital regions as well as the corporate regions, and they are going with to, of course, promote their game. They are collaborating with one of the public transport, that is the buses, and they would be advertising the game on the buses, as well as they would be doing some advertisements in the boards. And let me know in the comments if you spot any Floki Inu in Delhi NCR for the next 4 weeks, because this is a 4 week marketing campaign which has just started day before yesterday. So for the next 4 weeks, Floki Inu will be covering Delhi NCR. And yes, now coming back to the game, this is one of the gaming experience. If you can see, the graphics are good for a web3 based game, because I rarely see these type of graphics for a web3 based game, and of course that is play to earn. So on the mainnet, players will be able to earn Floki tokens, and the game recently got live. So this is a very big opportunity for you to earn Floki Inu using that game. And let me know in the comments, what do you think about this Floki Inu game, that is the Valhalla game. I really like the name of the Valhalla, it's giving more likely so okay, so the active players right now are 995, and active player, because the game recently got live, 995 is still, I'll say, a low figure. But see, just calculate this thing. If the players are low, the total reward pool is over $1 million, right? So you are getting a chance to get a bigger chunk of that reward at an early stage, because later, when more and more players will hop in, and that is the reality of Web3 gaming, the more the players are, the actual rewards per player actually kind of decreases. So this is also a perfect opportunity. If you are a gaming fan, you can just hop into this game, just click on the play now button, start earning while playing. And let me know, like, if you are holding Floki Inu before that or not. Anyways, that's it for the today's episode, and I really hope you like the updates of Floki Inu. And I am very bullish on the Floki Inu right now. I recently purchased a bunch load of Floki Inu before the pump, and after that it pumped like 10 or 12%. So you can also join our social handles to stay updated on all the trading calls as well. And I hope you have already subscribed to the channel. We'll meet again in a new episode.